In this video, we'll walk through the advanced settings available in the Privacy Controls and Cookie Solution Configurator. Start from the settings at the top, where you can configure not only which privacy laws apply, but also other key options that shape how the solution works and appears on your website. Then scroll down to Advanced Settings, where you can fine-tune how the solution behaves in more detail. Here you can enable remote configuration, so updates made in the configurator can be applied automatically without re-embedding code. You can also select the channel used to manage your setup. You can adjust banner settings and configure how consent is collected. For example, you can reload content after consent, request new consent when the cookie policy is updated, or enable remote consent. Next, choose how consent preferences are stored, for example, site-wide or by language, and in cookies or local storage. You can also define how long consent preferences remain valid, configure development options, and control what happens after consent is expressed. For more advanced control, you can use callbacks to define when specific actions should run, together with debugging and other advanced settings. That's it. You now have a quick overview of the advanced settings available in the Privacy Controls and Cookie Solution Configurator. For a deeper dive into each option, refer to our advanced guide.